Today we're going to be showing you how to add the Quizizz Chrome extension. First, start by going to class link and clicking on Quizizz. From here, in the Quizizz homepage, look at the left side of the panel and click the AI Chrome extension. Next, you're going to click Add to Chrome, and then you'll click to add the extension. Next, you're going to go back to your class link and go to your Google Drive. From here, you'll go and click to open a slide presentation. And then you should be able to see the Chrome extension at the top of the page. The Quizizz Chrome extension also helps when going to different web pages. All you have to do is go to the page that they're looking for, go to your extensions, and find Quizizz. From there, if you click on it, now you can create a quiz out of that web page.